Hello, everyone. Today, we're stepping into a world that's truly unlike anything you've seen before. Imagine being able to create an AI model that looks like you, talks like you, makes videos, and even behaves like a real influencer. The name of this platform is APOB.AI. Basically, it's a factory for creating AI influencers. But hold on, it's not just a simple tool. APOB.AI is a complete ecosystem where you can build your own personalized model and then use it to create any type of content. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. The first step after entering the website APOB is creating your personal model. Just click on Create Portrait Model to start the model creation process. Here, you can upload your own photos or generate a completely new and digital face that's created entirely by AI. After a few minutes, your personal model will be ready and appear in your My Models section, ready to use for creating any type of content. From that moment on, your model becomes an intelligent character that you can use to create any kind of content. Your model even includes basic info like its name, description, and unique tags. And other users can also see or use it for their own projects. In a way, this is a huge community of created models where everyone can explore and get inspired by others' ideas. Now let's move on to the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu with the platform's main tools, including Generate Video, Revideo, Talking Avatar, Image to Video, Text to Video, Chat to Edit, Add Subtitles, Video Face Swap, and several others. These tools are designed like a complete studio, and each one covers a specific part of the visual content creation process. Basically, any idea you have in mind, from generating images to producing fully realistic videos, can be done right here in this panel. One of the most interesting and practical parts of APOB is the Image to Video Ultra tool. Here, you can start from a simple image and turn it into a moving, lifelike video. You can add motion effects, change camera angles, and even include multiple shots to give it a cinematic vibe. In this section's settings, you can choose between fast, best, or ultra quality modes, and even set the video duration. For example, 3, 5, or 10 seconds. This way, from just a static image, you can create a short and lively clip that's perfect for social media posts or promotional videos. Now, let's check out one of the coolest features, Revideo. Here, you can transfer the body movement of a person in one video to your own model. Imagine you have a video of a famous dance or an artistic performance. You just need to upload that video in the original video section, and then select your own model as the reference image. The APOB.AI learns the movements of the person in the video and applies the exact same gestures to your model. The result? A completely new video with the same poses and motions, but with your personalized model's appearance. This feature is perfect for creating creative clips, music videos, or even fun and entertaining content. The next tool is Talking Avatar Ultra, which allows your model to speak naturally. Just choose a reference image and upload your desired audio file, or even generate a voice using APOB's built-in AI. You can also add camera movements like zoom in or follow character to make the video look more natural and professional. After generation, there's also an Add Subtitles feature for automatic captions, so your video will be ready to publish on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Basically, with this feature, you can create speeches, tutorials, or product introductions with your avatar, without any filming or real actors needed.
Hey, I'm Cassidy. Think of this space as your exclusive backstage pass to a conversation that never really ends. This isn't just about my voice in your ears. It's about catching that curated vibe, the cool moments, and everything in between. So stay tuned because we're just getting started.
But one of the most useful features, especially for beginners, is the chat to edit section. Here, you just need to upload the image you want and type in the side box what kind of change you'd like to make. For example, make the shirt red, or turn this photo into anime style. The APOB.AI applies exactly that modification. No Photoshop skills required, and gives you a brand new output. This section is super useful for quick and creative image editing. If you're looking for new ideas, the community and inspiration sections are exactly where you should go. Here, you can see the works of other users, get inspired, or even build upon their models. Many users have created popular models that have gained thousands of likes, and you can become one of them too. In fact, APOB isn't just a tool, it's also a social network of creators sharing their ideas with each other. If you're looking for new ideas, the community and inspiration sections are exactly where you should go. Here, you can see the works of other users, get inspired, or even build upon their models. Many users have created popular models that have gained thousands of likes, and you can become one of them too. In fact, APOB isn't just a tool, it's also a social network of creators sharing their ideas with each other. In conclusion, APOB.AI isn't just a site for generating images or videos. It's a full AI-powered studio that does everything for you. From creating your personal model to producing videos, animations, and even talking avatars, all in one place, with incredible speed and precision. For me personally, it's been one of the most complete and creative tools I've ever tested. Fast, powerful, and truly inspiring for anyone who creates content. If you want to experience it yourself, go right now to the link in the description and use the code AIBorder15 to get a special 15% discount on your plan upgrades. So if you're looking for an AI tool that's fun, professional, and fuels your creativity, without a doubt, APOB.AI is the right choice. With it, you can bring your ideas to life from zero to reality. By the way, there's also a special giveaway campaign running right now. You can get free credits and a subscription. Just check the link in the description for details.